Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to use the uKnowva WhatsApp bot for quick and convenient HR services. Let's get started. To begin, open the uKnowva WhatsApp bot on your mobile phone. Please ensure that your mobile number is registered in the uKnowva HRMS system, as only registered numbers are authorized to access the bot and use its features. Once you send a greeting message, the bot will instantly reply with a welcome message along with a question asking how it can assist you. From this point onward, the bot acts as your interactive support system, guiding you through various options and tasks. After selecting the available options, the bot will display different actions such as applying for leave, checking leave balance, viewing leave history, accessing the holiday list, applying for optional holidays, checking attendance, regularizing attendance, and downloading payslips. For example, if you choose the Apply Leave option and click on the Send button, the bot will guide you step by step. It will ask for the start date and end date, the leave type, the reason for leave, and whether the leave is for the first half or second half in case of a half-day request. Once you provide all the required details, the bot will display a confirmation message. After confirmation, the leave request will automatically be sent to your reporting manager for approval. One of the key features of the uKnowva WhatsApp bot is its ability to answer custom questions. You can type your query in your own words, such as asking how to create new policies. The bot will respond with clear instructions and may also provide a direct link to the relevant help article or guide on the uKnowva HRMS platform. This ensures that employees can access instant information without needing to manually browse the portal or contact the help desk. That's it. You now know how to use the uKnowva WhatsApp bot for quick HR assistance. Thank you for watching.